You know what I'm saying? And show y'all that, like, I really be out here doing this shit myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't be having people to, you know what I'm saying, do the work for me and to, per se, not necessarily teach me, because, you know what I'm saying, I'm always learning from the hands of other people who are great at what I'm trying to do. You know what I'm saying? But I want to have more of an, you know what I'm saying? I want to reach more people, and I want more people to feel like they can do their own work too. And you know what I'm saying? And be able to complete their own tasks without having somebody fucking doing it for them or helping them do it. Because you know what I'm saying? Everything that we live in life, we can teach ourselves and we can learn ourselves. You know what I'm saying? It's just about trial and error. You know what I'm saying? It's about messing it up and fixing it. You know what I'm saying? No matter how many times that is. Because I know that I've done that so many times just to get myself to where I'm at, even just right now. You know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't consider myself to be no mechanic or no like perfect auto bodyist or anything of that sort yet. Not yet. But hopefully you guys will be tuned in enough to see my journey and to grow with me and to watch me, you know what I'm saying, expand that and make something out of it, you know what I'm saying, instead of it just being, you know what I'm saying, me doing my own stuff, you know what I'm saying, and nobody seeing it or being motivated by the fact of how hard I'm working to achieve these things. You know what I'm saying? Keep working hard, knock things out, you know what I'm saying, be the best you can be the best person you can be, believe in God. But trying to give y'all a little rundown, let y'all know what y'all gonna be seeing on my channel and what to expect. You know, you guys are gonna be getting a lot more of the one-on-one, me showing, you know what I'm saying, me speaking to the camera and speaking to you guys and just giving you guys updates and let you guys know what's going on. But mainly my channel is gonna be based on like my car and cars and me building, and you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna be speaking, letting you guys know how I be feeling about situations and things and life. You know what I'm saying? Trying to throw motivation and give motivation where I can give it, and you know, just be the best I could be and give you guys the best kind of entertainment and content I possibly can. You know what I'm saying? So because my subframe is a little bit like, and then it kind of fucked up, I had to tighten this up so I can pull it closer to where it's supposed to be. Well, there's nothing on here, so when it does, you see how it's like tightening up right there? So now I'm gonna put the thing in those holes. So we gotta take all of this out. There's gonna be nothing here after I'm done. Starting with this nut. I'm gonna show you how to take it out on the other side, because this was not easy. I'm gonna start with taking the little ridges. Fucked up a screwdriver. Look, started going the right way and broke the fucking screwdriver. Damn. Get you a nice little pull. Every time I get the pull on here, I turn it. I think I just broke the socket. Yeah. This shit's just breaking. Now that I finally got the damn bolt off, now we can get started. Strut tower. Gotta pull those. Gotta pull tie rod bolt and cotter pins. Here. Gotta do the strut bolt. Caster arm tower or whatever. And these two for that. I should have seen it when it was havoc in this mother. It's crazy. Stripped out. Come on, son. Sheesh. So, update. Ran into a little snag. A little snag, Not a big, huge problem. But we don't make it happen. You know what I'm saying? We'll spray these. Make them all look good and shiny. This epoxy paint. See that rust, salt resistant, no primer needed, all weather thing. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make my shit look good. You know what I'm saying? Fucking gotta show y'all before I start putting everything back together. I know I gotta stay with my feet. I know I gotta stay on my feet. My mama told me to stay away from the east. This shit's going crazy. There's so much. I had to clean these up. You know what I'm saying? Spray them up so they don't rust up. You know what I'm saying? These got sprayed up. You know what I'm saying? Got the new ball joints in too. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen this before though. Both my inner tie rods are different. They're not the same. Man, look at this shit. So these are my inner caster arms, and look, there wasn't a fucking bushing in there. I didn't take that shit out. This shit was, look. It's what they was doing. Like, they was literally just sitting in there like this. Horrid. Look, two of them was whole ass like that. Like this one was in the middle, was basically doing that too. Getting there. It's crazy. Look at my ball joints. Through. Fucking through. Ooh-wee. Fucking finally. Give y'all a better look at what the fuck this shit look like. Now that I put everything back to fucking together. Whew. Bushings,